Hello and welcome to Round Science. Today we will be making and experimenting with Non Newtonian liquid, or as it's better known as Oobleck. First step is to pour in the corn flour. Hello and welcome to Round Science. Today we will be experimenting and making Non Newtonian liquid, or as it's better known as Oobleck. First, the way to make it is 1 cup of corn flour for every 1 cup of water. You can add in food colouring if you want to change the colour of your Oobleck. Stir. Oh god. Whoops. It's a lot of food coloring. Okay. Next, you must mix it. This is so weird. It seems there is no cornstarch left. So we must pour in a little bit more. Oops. That's really nice paper. And we must mix it again. First, we need to actually get some Non Newtonian liquid in there. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Yay. Oh god, it's a lot. Uh-oh, it's turning into Oobleck. Or not. I think we might have to add in the whole bag. So, what we're going to do, we're going to grab a chunk of Oobleck and I'm going to squeeze it and it's going to be a solid, but when I let go, liquid. Okay. I can also grab the top and pull it up. But when I slap it and punch it, look what happens. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Same for punching. It is extremely hard to break the barrier of this thing. But watch, if I set my hand on top, goes straight through. And my hand's stuck in there now. That is extremely hard to get out. Now, I shall bounce a handball on it. As you can see, it bounces straight off the top. But if you leave it, bye-bye. It's now an Oobleck ball. Wow. Now if I roll across the top, it will still sink. Yeah. It is very, very fun to play with. And that is what you call Non Newtonian liquid. Thank you for watching Round Science, and as always, good night.